Top-notch security.
Top-notch security in Kampala. This is a hospital.
Yes.
For rich people. That's a 5-star hotel, man.
Bro.
Hey.
Yeah,
Uganda is good.
Yeah.
You have oil in Uganda. You have oil, man.
Yeah, man.
This is extremely clean, man.
When you see big cars, Mercedes-Benz.
Kampala, guys. Kampala with my brother Joel.
Yes.
Yes.
Joel Abatan.
Where are we going?
So we're going to explore Kololo, where the rich people stay.
Yes.
Where most foreigners come to shop because it has convenient stores.
Yeah.
With international brands.
Yes.
Like Nike, Adidas.
Yes.
Then also first-class restaurants.
First-class restaurants. KFC.
There is Middle East restaurant. There is Albania bars. Like it's one of the places where I would advise each one to come to Kampala. At least pass by. Okay, very cool neighborhood
for rich people.
Yeah, even there are night clubs. Hang out. Like very safe.
Oh, so let's go, guys.
Sure.
Make sure you hit that like button, guys, and also subscribe.
Yes.
Check out my brother Joel. Joel Obatan on YouTube.
Yes.
Mr. TA.
Mr. TA.
Yes, sir.
Get it started. I call it uptown.
Uptown.
The outside was downtown, now here is uptown.
Uptown.
Nakaselo Hill.
Nakaselo Hill.
Yes.
It's like the most modernized part of Kampala. So modern and clean. So this is Nakaselo Hill. Nakaselo Hill in Kampala. And I think, it looks like it's very clean, man. Modern. You cannot compare it to the downtown.
Yes. It's green, eh?
It's very green, very clean. Let me show my people. Guys, Kampala is clean.
Yeah, man.
This is the cleanest part of Kampala, guys. Hey.
You like it?
I like it so much.
Yeah, man.
So are there some residential apartments?
Yeah, okay, those ones are residential apartments.
Those ones? Those are apartments?
Residential apartments. But here they are mostly expensive.
Yeah, they're very expensive, man. So they look fancy. Diplomats, experts.
And then people with
higher post, and higher level of income. Business tycoons. Where does this guy Hamis stay?
Away from the town.
Away from the town.
Yeah, you know, most people don't like staying in the patrolling part of where near it's in the shores of Lake Victoria.
In the shores, Lake Victoria?
Yes.
That guy is rich, man.
Lake Victoria.
Nakaselo Hill, uptown Kampala.
Yes, uptown Kampala. Security here is too much.
It's too much.
Top-notch security.
Top-notch security in Kampala. And there is another building which is being developed there.
Yeah, very many apartments are coming up here.
There are many apartments I can see.
Yes.
They'll be very expensive.
They are very expensive, bro. So you have to work hard to be able to afford living around this area.
Very soon.
Even the cost of living here is high.
Yeah, very soon we even be able to afford the New York City. Guys, that's the Kampala Golf Coast. Where rich people come and hang out. And have fun. Hey man, it seems to be for the rich. Now this building is for this one.
It's a hospital.
This is a hospital.
Yes.
For rich people.
I'm not sure the owners, but
it's a very good hospital here in Kampala. You also got 4 Points by Sheraton, man. That's hotel.
Yeah, man.
That's a 5-star hotel, man.
Bro.
Hey.
Uganda is good, man.
I have seen it, man. Uganda is good.
Yeah. You have it in Kigali.
Yeah, we have that hotel in Kigali. And it's only for the rich people.
Yeah, sure.
Do you have, this is, do you have this Serena Hotel?
one, bro. We have
You have Serena Hotel.
Yes, that is a hangout.
Hangout.
Yes. Oh, yeah, from there, out there.
Nightlife.
Yes. The best. Yeah, it's the best to come and see an hostel. This side. These are hostels.
Those are hostels.
Yes.
They also look good.
They can be like $11, $10 per night.
$11, $10 per. That's not much.
Yes. Share accommodation.
Okay.
Yes.
That's what's that?
That's like a Chinese company, oil company, no.
Chinese oil company. But do you have oil in Uganda? You have oil, man.
Yeah, man.
I didn't know that.
Uganda is rich in minerals, bro.
You're rich, you're so rich, man. I have heard that you also have discovered gold in your country.
Yeah, man.
Hey, this country is so rich. So it's gonna become like maybe the New York, the coming years.
Yes, sure, bro.
Yeah, let's wait and see. Yeah, you've got many resources, and Ugandans are so hardworking.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Kololo.
This is Kololo Hill.
Yes. Oh, Kololo. Where
This is
the rich
Kololo
people
Hill,
come
guys.
and hang up from.
This is Kololo Hill, where the rich people come and hang out.
Yes, and where the rich people stay.
And that's where also they stay.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are many different apartments, fancy apartments for rich people. Mansions, those expensive shopping mall,
Yes.
those brands from the US, from Europe, they are all found here.
Yes, even the beautiful women, they use them.
Yes, even the beautiful ladies, Ugandan.
Yes, Ugandan.
Yeah.
You know, Africa has beautiful women. When you go around Africa, you get to know that the black is beautiful. Eh?
Yes, melanin is beautiful. It's beauty like a man.
Yeah, man.
And I think Africa, now all opportunities are remaining in Africa.
Yeah, man.
I can say that opportunities, that's
house is where Emirates house.
Emirates House.
Yeah, Fly Emirates has the house is there.
You also have Java House.
Yes, bro.
We do have Java House at home.
Yeah, bro.
Java House, man.
Uh,
This part of Kampala looks so clean.
Man,
This
what
part of
white people are coming from there.
Yes. Wow. This is extremely clean, man.
When you see big cars, Mercedes Benz.
But those, man, I've also seen that in Uganda you have many brands of cars.
Yeah, man.
Hey, man, you have many varieties.
The oil, eh? So you see, this is
Capital FM. I've heard about that radio.
the best radio and oldest radio station in Uganda.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Uganda is very.
What's that?
That's the Akashama we are going to come. That's the mall. Akashama.
Okay.
The Uganda don't show on TV.
This is the part of Uganda that they don't show on TV.
They don't show on TV.
We are now. Okay.
Massive.